10 interesting facts you know about Money Heist. Number 10. Fans among the football players. Here you can see Neymar Jr. on the picture. So here it is. It's no secret that So has fans all over the globe, and naturally among these fans there are a few celebrities such as Neymar and Stephen King. It seems that the football megastar was so into the series that he contacted the production and asked to be a part of the show. So now you know that there are some fans who are also the celebrities and like Neymar Jr. and Stephen King. So that's great, right? So the next fact is so the third season of the series there is a scene where Brazilian monk who goes by the name of João makes an appearance. He is dedicated for his cause and not at all into soccer and partying. For those who know Neymar, it's hard to believe it's him, but he actually made the cameo appearance. You know, he actually looked like this in the series, and you have to find it in there. Neymar as a Brazilian monk who goes by the name of João makes appearance. Okay, so the fact number 9, the secret name. So here we know the the professor. It seems like one of the most interesting suspects aspects of the show is that the characters go by the name of the famous cities around the world. Like you can see, everyone has a name like Tokyo, Oslo, Moscow, everything. The professor is totally different and is quite unique, and the fans are not aware that he has an unofficial name, and that is Vatican City. And as you know, a city is a very well protected, mysterious, and filled with knowledge. Vatican City is a perfect name for the character like Professor, like which Alvaro Morte plays, who has a lot of knowledge, and he gets used to wear glasses because in real life he doesn't wear that. So the fact number 8 is Netflix upgrade. So Netflix actually upgraded its version to quite great, and they got a lot of funds to do so. So you can see when the series was first beginning, they managed on the smaller budget and scenes were a bit more modest. But during this time, the cast never left the streets of Madrid. This changed when Netflix came into picture with a big check. Suddenly, the show got access to private islands, expensive helicopters, the Thai Buddhist temples, which all cost a lot of money, and tension attracts larger audience, which is always a good thing. So here we can see the Thai temple in which you have seen in season 3, I guess, Tokyo and the professor met, and the hidden tribute. So the hidden tribute was for the Dali mask, and you know the artist behind that. So let's see what's it is. And the artist Salvador Domingo Felipe Jacinto Dali Dominic Marquez of Dali de Pabol was a Spanish surrealist artist better known as Salvador Dali, who contributed and saved the world of art. So the mask was inspired by his style, his art, and this way of saying the Spanish people are proud nation, and the show used the infamous face as mask as to pay respect and attract attention. Yet again, the artwork of the artist to revive the memory. So the next one is the fact number 6 about Tokyo. So it goes like this. Often the most brilliant ideas are inspired by the simplest things in everyday life. The series has a very unique ace in that characters name after famous cities, and this seems like something that is very well thought out. And you have seen many names of the characters like Tokyo, Oslo, Berlin, Rio, and everything. It all began when Money Heist creator Alex Pina came to work and no idea that he would inspire his colleague Jesus Coleman by simply choosing the right side with Tokyo on it. When Colomer saw the idea just came to him, and this is where it all began. Who knows what will be the source of his next bit of inspiration. Fact number 5, change of location. So it was quite hectic for the team to change the location from the Royal Mint of Spain. And here the production of the series had the initial idea to have the big scene filmed at the Royal Mint of Spain, which is managed by the Spanish Ministry of Economy and Business. Unfortunately, definite of all the efforts, and in the end they did not obtain the permission to shoot there, so they have to come up with another place to shoot. Luckily from them, Madrid has plenty of historic places under the CSIS who did the job, and they got the permission to shoot there. Okay, so the next one, the fact number 4, the title is La Casa de Papel in Spanish, and in English that's Money Heist. One of the most important things while winning a concept of the title is how it should be. La Casa de Papel in Spanish, although it sounds perfect, but it was not their first choice. The creator Alex Fina has chosen the Los Descasios, which means the outcast, which was suitable for that, but later he thought it would be named as La Casa de Papel, as it will mean the paper house, which was the royal mint of Spain. Fact number 3, lost in translation. So the translation goes like this: like when the title La Casa de Papel was set in stone, there was another title decided upon the English audience which they would like, so they thought that the House of Paper should be the title, but they changed that money heist, that the character involved there do a heist in the royal mint, so they stole money, which is believed that is a money heist. And so people believe that La Casa de Papel and money heist are two different shows, but not, they are the same. So second one, the fact number 2, parallel writing. So as you know, many of the series are written beforehand, and while making the series, this one is written. And Money Heist is quite different, because while making the series, they first air the few following episodes, then they take the philosophy, they have the philosophy that how the audience reacts to certain things and the scenes, and they decide the next season, the next episode on that, how the audience react. So the fact number 1, nearly cancelled. So it goes like this: nearly cancelled. The show originally premiered in May 2017. Ratings were very high, but time passed, the ratings started falling, and the grand finale was actually not so grand after all. So the popularity increased drastic speed that there was no doubt the third and fourth season as the show became internationally popular, so Netflix rescued them. So thank you all for wearing your time with me. Thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate your efforts to watch this video, so please like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates and more videos. Please press the bell icon while subscribing so that you never miss a video from our side. Thank you.